vroom, Scoot Gang, as we continue. Now, if you watched the last video, all 9 of you, then you would have known that this is a continuation from Biesanz Beach entrance to Park Nahomi, which is located in Quepos, right along and down and to the left after you pass the marina on the right coming into town. This one is short and sweet, friends, so I'm not going to take up much time, but enjoy the ride. Let go! Stop back here again for a second. I don't even know if the audio is working because it usually goes out when it's bumpy. 45% battery. are narrow as it is, and they're big drainage. So if you have the bad timing of making the kind of blind turn as you see here, but imagine coming up, you could be making a blind turn with one of the buses. And if you don't panic, you'll be fine. But some people might panic, and all puns intended, bust your ass. So you want to be careful when you're coming around this corner if you're on a bike or even in a car, man, to be honest. So I am going to turn off of the main road because I used to live off of the main road. This was the old main road. So there are two ways that you can get in and out from Quepos to Manuel Antonio. This is the old road, which I also took on the way when I originally went to Manuel Antonio Beach. So in these videos, you do not see the main road into Quepos from Manuel Antonio or vice versa. I apologize, but this is a secondary route which I took, all right? So don't blame me. And sorry for the recording, the fan is on and the AC is hot. Sorry. Central Quepos right here while we dodge through these QP streets, as I like to call it. Now, that traffic light that you saw, friends, that was actually the first traffic light implemented into town. Excuse me. Yeah, the first traffic light implemented into town while I moved here. So that was special. To you, nothing big, but to me, that was special. I've actually been here for the 2 lights that they've input. So I could have gone straight, and I made a left. Yeah, man, I'm up here, off the rip. I'm over here, commentating off the rip, friends. To me, one take Jake. I only get one, so deal with it. All right? And you're going to say, you deal with it, and you'll click off the video, or you'll say, that's why you have 9 people watching it. I get it, friends, but slow process, slow grind. And this is old stuff. I'm trying to get to the new things, which I honestly haven't even done. I don't know what to do. I haven't done a video. I'm nervous, but I'm about it. We'll get something done. Trust me, something be in the can. Anyway, my big gulp, not 7-Eleven. I'm going to finish up here, right out to the beach. You'll see pretty soon what they call the Malecon, and that Malecon takes you into the actual marina, which is super beautiful and gorgeous. They've added luxury apartments and shopping and restaurants. Well, they've always had the restaurants and shopping, but now the luxury apartments. So beautiful views. So enjoy the view of the Malecon to the marina to the awesome Park Nahomi. And sorry for chattering and ruining it. Back to it. Lego. We're almost finished.
right into the park. You can walk around and go to the edge, but I'll show that from my cell phone. This is Nahomi in Quepos, little past the marina. All these things you can do here. Alright? Time to go to the store and get a beer.
Yeah, man. So that is the beautiful Park Nahomi. Also coming back past the marina on the left and the Malecon. This is my city, folks. It's really tranquilo, very laid back, very cool. I love it. Wouldn't change it for the world, but maybe I will. Sooner or later, you know how it is. But please, if you like it, share, subscribe, do all of that if you wish. I would be muchos gracias. Tell a friend, all that. And the next video, we are taking it to another close big city. That is Zeledon. And I'm going there for a special mission. If you want to know what it is, you gotta stay tuned and find out. I teased it on my trip to Dominical Beach, so enjoy, folks. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Scoop Gang out, eating out, and I'll catch you on the next video. Aye.